Hello everyone, this is Dipti from Prayanats. Today I have a very special project to share with you. This is a journal which I have made for my brother. So this is a completed journal and you can see how chunky this has come out. Uh, the reason why I want to show you this journal is many a times I have this question from people as to how should we use a journal. So like I already said in my previous videos, there are many ways in which you can use a journal. So one of the ways is a photo journal wherein you paste a lot of photographs along with writing, to preserve all your memories. So this is basically a memory book, as you can see from the label of this journal. So this journal I have made for my brother, and today is a very special day because in India we are celebrating a festival for brothers, and I am fasting for my brother today. So coincidentally, but today is a nice day of shooting this video. Uh, so I'll just walk you through this journal and show you how I have decorated the entire journal with a lot of photographs and ephemeras. There are places where I have written some stories related to the photographs. Also, while I will be flipping through this journal, I will show you some ephemeras which you can make and use them in your journals. So I hope you get some inspiration. Let's get started. So this is basically a closure which I have used to keep this journal in place because this is a very bulky one. I had to think a lot before coming up with this cover. This cover also has a story behind it. This is a fabric. I don't know if it's visible. So this is a fabric which comes from a blanket which my brother used to use when he was I guess around 1 year old or something. I don't even remember that. So luckily that blanket was still with me. So after a lot of thinking and going through a lot of fabrics, I finally zeroed down on this one because this is a special fabric in itself. So I have sewn the cover, entire cover with this fabric with a tassel where I have added some charms. There is this Buddha charm, some bells, and a lot of beads. Uh, the label of this journal is memories because that's what it is, and this label I have made on fabric by stamping the word memories. So I didn't have this memory sentiment, so what I did was I stamped every alphabet, and I was very happy that in first instance I got it in a straight line. So that's how this book plate goes. There is this little heart which I have stuck which says lucky. So this means that I'm lucky to have a brother like him. So I have sewn around the edges, and the border also comes from that same blanket. So let's move inside. I'll not stop at every page. I'll just stress on the pages where I want to show you some decoration part. So this is the front cover where I have this little tag which says journey, and this is a journaling tag where I have written a small note for my brother. The first page has a photo frame kind of a thing, so this photo just slides in, so if he wants he can change the photo anytime. So this is a little tricky to remove, but yeah, this is how it comes out. So I have used a lot of stickers in this journal. So this is how I've used some washi tapes, some little sentiments here and there. So this is again a tag with a message. The heart says memorable. So there are some bits and pieces on every page. This is again a tag which says family with a small note behind it. So this is how basically you use all your journaling tags to write something on that. So I have, in some places, I have added this thin film, because while I was making this journal, I saw that the photos were sticking onto each other, as these are very old ones. So I have just placed this, to save the photographs from sticking onto each other. So here there is again a journaling card with a message. So you will be finding a lot of journaling tags, because there was so much to write in this. I could not help myself. So again, some writing over here. Now this is a pocket which I have made from packaging material. So this is the tag with a message, and this is a small flip book which I have made, where you can paste all your passport size photographs. So this is how it looks. So this just slides in over here. So moving on further, this is the middle of the first signature. So basically this journal has 3 signatures. I didn't mention that earlier. It has 3 signatures like this, and I have divided all the 3 signatures on the basis of the period. So the first signature belongs to our childhood days, the second signature goes for the school days, and the third signature is again a surprise which I'll come later on. So this is again a tag. This particular tag I have made by using a dried leaf. So I have just pasted this leaf and did a covering of Mod Podge over it, followed by a varnish. So this again has some message. So this just slides in behind the photograph like this. So I think on every page I have photographs, in fact more than one photograph, because there are so many photographs that I could not help myself. I tried a lot, to make it as less bulky as possible, but it was very difficult for me. So this is again a belly band where I have inserted 2 to 3 photographs. Also in this journal there are a few pockets which you will find empty, because I think there are many photographs which are missing in this. I didn't get them from my mom, so I have just left a place for them, so that when he receives it, he can add those photographs in those pockets. So this is again a film I have added just to protect the photographs. So this is how, this is again one more pocket where I have inserted the pics. This is again a tag with a message. Yeah, this is the end of the first signature. Now moving on to the second signature, this is again a corner pocket where I have journaled something, some festivals which we had celebrated, some fun time which we had. These are some school photographs. So there are lots and lots and lots of things. I'm sure he is going to like this, and I'm sure he will love revisiting each memory which is associated with these photographs. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is again a school photograph, and this is a special one because it has the signature of our principal. So I did not stick this and just inserted this so that I have the signature saved. Again a journaling card. This is just a flap. This pic again I have used as a pocket, so one more pic just slides behind this. This is a small window which I have created. So this just opens like this, and again there is a space of so many photographs, so you can add more if you want. So this just slides in over here like this. You just need to be a bit careful while inserting these, and this you just have to tie a bow. I hope I get it correct. It's sometimes it gets very tricky just to tie this bow. It seems very simple, but sometimes I do get stuck. Yeah. So this is again I have converted one of the photographs into a tag. So this is just one way of using. So this is an envelope pocket. where I have slided this pictures. Again a tag with some message. So there are a lot of bits and pieces here and there which you can have a look, you can read, you can enjoy. So every page has some element of interest, so you will have to pause on every page and take some time to go through that. This is again a pocket which I have created. Now the inspiration for this pocket I got from Natasha from Treasure Books. So I have made 2 to 3 pockets like this which I will be using in my other journals. So I'll just show you a sample. Yeah, this is how it looks. So this has 1, 2, 3, and again this can be used as a pocket. So 4 pockets in all. So you can just stick it on any of the page and add a lot of stuff in this. So one of them I have added over here. So this is a flip down envelope which I have left empty so that my brother can add anything if he wants. So this is how it goes. Again a tag. These are some stickers, some stamped images. Yeah, so this is the end of the second signature. Now the third signature. I did not think of this before when I was planning to make this journal, but while I was making, I thought that I should add my bhabhi also in this because she is also a very important part of us now, and I share a lot of memories with her as well. So this is how the story starts with her. So I have added a lot of photographs of hers in this as well. So this is the wedding card of my brother which I have used with some wedding photographs, and behind this I have added the entire card. So this is how do we have it in India. So these are the leaves of the card which I have inserted at the back so that they are preserved. So a lot of stuff which we did together, I have tried to capture each and every moment. So this is again a pocket where I have inserted the other photograph. So a lot of stuff like this. I'll just flip through very quickly. This is again that same pocket which I have used to insert this tag and some other pics. This is a small envelope which I have added where I will be inserting one letter from my niece. So this is kind of a kids section. This is again a small pocket. Again a small pocket with a tiny little message. A tag with some message. So there is a lot of writing as well in this journal which you need to go through. So one pocket over here, one pocket at the back. This is again a photograph which I have used as a pocket. So there's a small message and one more photograph behind this like this. So you just have to be careful. This is how it goes. So this is the end of the journal, and in the end I have added this small booklet kind of a thing which says beautiful moments. So I have added a few photographs of both of them. So this just slides in over here, and I have written some notes, some conclusion notes over here. So yeah, this is how the journal goes. One thing I forgot to mention was the size of this journal. So this journal measures around 15 by 19 centimeter. Yeah, so this is how it goes. Please let me know how did you find this. Did you get some inspiration, or if you have any ideas to share with me, please leave a comment. I love to read all of them. This is it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.